Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Mrinalini and I am the patient advisory at Medigens. Today we have with us Nelson and Edwin from Zimbabwe who've come for their treatment for kidney transplantation. Hello Edwin, hello Nelson.
Hi, how are you?
So today they're going to share with us their experience about their treatment. To start with, Nelson, could you give a brief introduction about yourself and about the condition that you were suffering?
Right. My name is Nelson Chidakwa. Nationality, Zimbabwean nationality. I was diagnosed kidney failure, and my brother he volunteered to be my donor, and we get in touch with our friends here in India. They helped us very well travel from Zimbabwe to India for us to get kidney transplant, and the surgery was excellent. It was done on the 1st of January this year, and I have no objections, and I'm happy for the treatment which we received from the hospital and the Medigens. I have no any complaints, and I'm happy with the treatment until today, and I'm recovering very well. The surgery was done very good.
All right. So Edwin, what made you travel abroad for treatment for your brother, and what made you choose India as your preferred destination?
Okay, thank you, Dot. The issue was, at first, when my brother was diagnosed with a kidney problem, the situation was kind of very difficult for us because there was a need of dialysis, which was very costly in the long run, and that's when I decided to donate something, kidney, to him. But the issue was, it was a difficult journey because we don't have someone to give us a lot of information about how are we going to travel and how are we going to do it. So that's why we get in touch with Medigens, and the Medigens were there for us from the day one up to we traveled to India. They gave us a lot of advices in terms of how the operation and how the treatment is going to happen, which made our life and journey to be easy for us. And I want to appreciate how Medigens done the great job, because there was more like the family. Even the day we arrived here in India, they gave us a lot of information about how the journey was going to be happening. For the choice of coming here, we find it through their support communication on the internet, which will help us to have more picture, because it was difficult to us how are we going to travel to India, which papers are being needed, and how much is going to cost us. So that was made our journey so easy for us.
Now Nelson and Edwin, you being the patient and you being the donor, how was your experience, overall experience in terms of the doctor, the hospital, and the treatment that was given to you?
Okay. All I can say, it went more smooth. It was smooth sailing from the starting of the point and up to now. The treatment of the doctors were so fabulous. It was very well good. And also the day of admission, we managed to get full support from the Medigens and also the hospital. Until the day of surgery, the more information they were able to sit down with us, giving us the information, giving us the vision of where we are going and how are we going to do it. And now, since after the surgery, still the support is there, we are able to recover well. Like me, it just took me almost 5 days to recover from surgery, and I'm now fit, I'm now walking, and I know any other side effects that I'm experiencing. The doctors have been just good.
All right. And what about you, Nelson? How did you find the doctor, and post-operatively, if we talk about how are you now? I mean, do you have pain or any kind of discomfort? How is your general health now?
Yeah, Firstly, on hospital workmanship is very good from the doctors, from medical team. They are so excellent, and I'm happy with the condition. Even during my stay in hospital, it was so good, well treated, and everyone was. They don't treat you like as a customer or a patient. They treat you as a brother, and everything. I'm happy. Even the doctor and the surgeon and the equipment at the hospital itself is very good. So I have no any objections, and I'm happy. And it took me almost. I was admitted for almost 7 days, but within 3 days I could able to walk and to do some exercise, which is good because it shows that the job was done very good. So right now I'm well okay, just a few pain on the wound, but I can manage to walk and do everything. I'm happy. Within 2 weeks only, everything is getting into a better place.
All right, that's great enough. And are you both clear about the instructions that were given to both of you, being the patient and the donor, after the surgery?
Yes, we have given the full information. How are we going to? How we should treat ourselves in the long run? The diet, everything. The physician, the exercise, they have taught us very well, and everything is being understood.
All right. Okay. So, did you face any shortcomings, or do you have any feedback about the hospital or about Medigens that you would like to tell us?
Yeah, I want to thank you, especially Medigens. It made our life so easy. On the communication, they were so good. On the support, even if you find some difficulties to know some of the steps or to know some of the procedure, to know what things we like, the Medigens was there for us. So I want to recommend everyone who want to get in touch with the Medigens, please don't hesitate, because I am the living testimony to what I've experienced here. It was a short time to know Medigens, but it was a good and enjoyable time for us to be here in India.
All right. And Nelson, what about you? Do you have any message for the African community about kidney transplantation here in India?
Yes. According to what I experience now, as I'm testifying, if you get in touch with Medigens, if you have any organ failure, I think it's the best organization to deal with, and they will help you from A to Z, and they can give you full information, and they can make you understand very well before you travel. And once you get here, don't be worried. Everything they will organize for you, from the hospital, the way you can stay, everything they can give you, they can support you. They have a very full support, and I recommend everyone who wants to get treatment, don't be hesitant to contact Medigens. It's well good organization, and the hospitals too, they are very nice.
All right. So thank you for sharing your experience with us. So this is it from us today. Thank you.
Thank you.